I'm Dr. Lutz Many, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic testing the documentation and security testing for the subject software testing and AS 366. Testing the documentation. So, the documentation testing is a crucial part of the non functional testing of your product. It may be black box testing that ensures the documentation how to use the system matches with the system does, providing proof that the system changes and improvements have been documented. So the key areas is the part that provides particular cases of any functionality or problem that occurred and may be taken by users as a possible solution of your problem or as a small manual. So messages are an area that gives prompts that may be used quickly after coming across a minor problem. The testing documentation is crucial because it brings many benefits. It has detailed analysis. It increases the productivity of the system and the cost efficiency. It also helps avoid information silos and acts as a reference point for future areas. How can you effectively document and report your testing results? Choose a suitable document, record the relevant information, what is the information is needed that has to be present. So use the clear and concise language too, because the report has to be readable by the top level management. High level key points and the findings should be there. You have to review and validate your result based upon your testing results. Test various reports testing you have conducted so far. Share and communicate your results with the users. The test scenario will be it describes the various scenarios of the application to test. It helps to understand what may be the flow of the application. It does not contain the input data and navigation steps. So test case is a very descriptive for part of the test document. It contains the input data and the navigation test to test the data. The scenario won't have, the test case will have this. It also contains expected results and actual results for a clear understanding of the application's working status. So test plan is a test document prepared by the test lead or manager. So what it will contain? It contains all the activities for testing an application. So there are multiple components of a test plan. It includes test environment, test methodology, what may be the template we are going to use, overall what are the roles and responsibility of the test lead. So what are the effort estimation, so what may be the objectives, so for what it is destined to, what is the approach, what are the entry point and exit criteria. So how schedule is needed, so what may be the schedule, so what are the tools we are going to make use of, what are the how the defect will be tracked, and assumption risk, what may be the mitigation plan and contingency plan. So we'll be having the important term that is requirement traceability matrix RTA. It stands for requirement traceability matrix. It ensures that all test cases have been covered. So it is used to ensure that we have not missed any particular requirement or test cases to execute an application. Test data. It is created before the test execution starts. It is an Excel document prepared manually. Bug report. So it contains details of all the bugs that occur during the test procedure. So this is useful for the QA system. By referring this, the team can be able to track the process of the project. Using the test document, team came to know the number of open issues, what are the solved issues, so what is undergoing issues, what are the rejected and solved ones. The test strategy, it contains testable processes, scope, customer communication strategy, documentation formats and objectives. So test lead prepares a test execution report after the execution process completed. It defines the consistency of the project. It includes information may include module, how many number of test cases written, number of test passed, number of passed and failed test. Thank you. So I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor at the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic compatibility testing and usability testing for the subject software. So I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor at the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm